And today, special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this 5-in-1 wireless charger. Now, this is just a look around the box. This is the G803C, and you can see here on the box, 5-in-1 wireless charging station. Phone output is 15 watts, 10 watts, 7.5 watts, and 5 watts. That's if you're using the wireless. The watch output is 3 watts, AirPods output is 5 watts, and then the Type A and the Type C ports are also here. Let me open this up and show you exactly how this would work. So that's it for the box. We have a nice little instruction manual here, so that's pretty nice. Now, if we take a look at this, this is the actual charging device. So you can see here on the back is where your main power goes in. It has a proprietary power cable that's in. Wow, nice. It would also include a USB-C to USB-C cable and a USB-A to Lightning for the old schooler iPhoners like myself. Now this is the main power brick, as I mentioned, a little proprietary cable that would plug into the back, and this just plugs into the wall. And then essentially how this would work is with this plugged in, you can put you an Apple Watch here, you can put you a wireless phone here, you can put you a pair of USB-C headphones here, and no, you cannot change that port, you can't swap it out, they gotta be USB-C. Then there's a USB-C port and a USB-A port right here, which you could theoretically use these cables to plug in 2 more devices to charge. And there you go, you would have all of those devices plugged into this one outlet, all charging at once. That's essentially what you would get in this package, and a great way of how you would use it. If you're a tablet and Apple Watch, AirPods, and Apple iPhone user, this would be perfect. You could plug everything in with one power cable and have everything nicely charged when you wake up in the morning. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.